am I? It feels like I've been here before. I know that place. I'm sure but I can't remember what. This feeling, though, it's familiar. But I can't remember what happens next. It's like some sort of dream that I can't grasp. And this place, I know this place. It feels like something's drawing me, pulling me on. I'm being pulled somewhere. Why is this so familiar? I've been here before. Many times. It feels like thousands of times. But why can't I remember what comes next? This is like a memory that's just out of reach. But this feeling is so familiar. I've been here before. Many times. I know this stone. I know it. What is this? Why am I here? Stop pulling me! Stop pulling me! Where am I? It feels like I've been here before.